So today again we have a new product from Sigma. So ayan, wala sa intro kasi nga ang intro natin, yung nga pala shoutout kay Jamil at kay Sir, yung kasamahan ni Jamil. Yung sila nag-intro, nag-unboxing sila. Actually, they purchased the Sony NX200, right? Sony NX200 ENG camera. So gagamitin natin nila for church. So ayun ang in-intro natin. Kaya ngayon, ang totoong product po natin guys is from Sigma. It's newly lens from Sigma. The Sigma Macro 105. So yun. So ito siya guys. Ang Sigma 105 Macro DN Macro for Sony mount. Actually, they have Sony mount and we received Sony mount and we received the L mount. Sorry, L mounts for Sigma FP and for Panasonic yes camera, which is for L mount. So again guys, this is our product for today, the Sony Sigma 105 Macro for Sony and L mount. So that's it guys. Okay, so again guys, so we will check and unbox the product. We will test for video and photo. I will show you the video quality using the Sigma 105 and we will show you some sample image using this lens for photo. We will use the A7R Mark IV and the A7S Mark III on this test. So again guys, stay tuned. And again guys, so let's start unbox now. So again, it's a typical Sigma box, white box. We know this is an art series lens of Sigma. So actually they have the Sigma 105, the old version for Canon and Nikon, which is the black box. Walang kung meron tayo sample dyan, pero pakita lang natin mamaya. Tsaka lang, kung meron dito. Okay, so yun, wala, hindi ko nahanap yung Sigma 105 na for Canon and Nikon, the old version, the black version. Now again, this is for Sigma Sony mount. So if you are Sony user, yun, A7 series and 6000 series, you can use this lens guys. So again, let's start to unbox now this camera. So yun, ito nyo makikita siyempre ang Japanese may ano naman to may something instruction, Japanese in English and Russian and something. Yan, marami. So, and nga guys, another manuals. So, yan, limited warranty and you have the 3 years warranty guys. If you purchase from AB World, I have shown you that you have 3 years warranty on Sigma lens. So, ayan, ito nyo makikita kagad guys. Napaka cool nilang bag. So, ayan. So, meron dito nakalagay dito para ilagay mo sa belt ba, diba? Yan, hang mo lang. Lagay mo yung belt dito sa area na to. Ayan. So, ayan. Check na natin guys. And, ang kagandahan nga sa Sigma lens, art series, contemporary, at saka meron na silang karamihan ng lens nila, they have already already the lens hood. So, ayan. Hindi ka na bibili ng lens hood. So, ito. Check natin guys. Ito ang lens. So, ayan, diba? Then, eto din ang hood, ang lens hood natin. So, ayan guys, this lens is DGDN. So, it means it's a full frame lens. So, eto siya guys. Kung lagyan mo ng hood, di ba? Sa puti. Oh, di ba? Eto. So, ayan. Papansin nyo dito, meron tayong, ayan, 105, Sigma 105. Ang aperture niya guys is already in the lens. So yeah, you can control your aperture through the lens. You have a lock button. So if you want to if you want to lock your aperture to 2.8, if you want to lock for automatic, it's lock mode. If you want to use an automatic on the lens for the aperture, if you want to control the aperture through the camera, just put in A or automatic, then you can lock. So you have also the focusing distance here, manual on auto, and click on, click off. That's it, guys. So again, guys, we will check the lens for the camera, for the Sony camera, which is we have the Sony a7S Mark III and the Sony a7R Mark IV for photo, and a7S for Mark III for video. So ayan, let's check now. And that's it for today, guys. So again, our product for today is the Sigma 105 Macro 2.8 DGDN for Sony and L-mount. So ito siya, guys. Flex lang natin. First, I want to flex our team, which is a Team Positive. Shout out to the admin and members ng ating Team Positive. Siyempre, ang team natin dito sa Kuwait, sa PBK o Pinoy Vloggers Kuwait. Shout out to you all, guys. At siyempre sa ating director na si Brian Putaral. Shout out. May mag-upload na rin niya. Malapit na talaga. At siyempre, ang ating mga masugid na subscriber. Naka 1.6 tayo, guys. So, konting push pa for 5K at mamimigay tayo ng microphone. Sariling pera ko yun, guys. wala ho yun sa AAB, which is personal na pamimigay natin ng microphone, which is I think the Rode VideoMicro. So, ayan. Subscribe na kayo, guys. And again, guys, so if you want to know the price, if you want to check our Sigma lineup of lenses, you can visit to our website www.aabworld.com. So at least you can check all the lenses categories that we have from sports, contemporary, art series. Yun, nandun na, guys. Even the old series, guys, yung black box namin. So ayun nga, guys, you can check to our website, category Sigma. Andun lahat from Sony to Canon to Nikon to L-mount. Yan, meron tayo dyan, guys. So again, guys, www.aabworld.com. So if you want to be updated for every product that we have, for example, this one, we have the new Sigma 105. You can sign up to our newsletter in the AAB World website. So at least you'll be notified whatever product that we will receive on, here in AAB World. So again, guys, meron kaming demo, ulitin natin, do we have a demo camera from Sony A7S, new Sony A7C, A7S Mark III, A7C, even A7R Mark IV, and even some of lenses to our Sony. So if you want to try, if you want to check the camera, you can visit to our showroom in Symphony. So at least, yan, para matest nyo, you can test the camera. So whoever's live here in Kuwait, you can drop here in AAB World Symphony, so you can test our camera. So again, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much. And again, guys, huwag natin kalimutan, please subscribe and don't forget 5,000 subscribers. We will giving giveaways for microphone. So again, guys, thank you very much and mabuhay.